Trying to go from $0 to $10,000 is easier said than done.
New Lamborghini here.
But today I got my hands on a sneaker that many will call their holy grail. And you won't believe the price I was able to get them for, so stay tuned. Coming from the last episode, I was able to sell all 20 of our sneakers, giving me a grand total of $1,083 to work with. In hindsight, I thought this was amazing because of our big budget, we would be able to buy a lot more sneakers, but in reality, there's just not that many great deals on the market right now. The sneaker market is in a major crash right now, which means the resale price on new sneakers is going down and the used sneaker market is basically at rock bottom. But offering somebody 50 bucks on a sneaker they just paid $200 for, it's like a slap in the face. Luckily, I was able to find some Jordan 3 Golds and some Jordan 6 Georgetowns for around $50 a piece. It's crazy that a sneaker that you pay over $200 retail on, as soon as you put your foot in them, they lose over 50% of its value. Almost like buying a new car. And it really makes you think if buying hype sneakers is even worth it. However, I was able to sell both the sneakers for $150, giving me a $50 profit in the span of about 24 hours. And soon after that, I would get a message on my Instagram that honestly I felt like was too good to be true. Somebody's trying to sell me some sneakers that is by far the most expensive I've had on this channel. And for the price I'm getting them, I can make some serious profit with it. But let's just hope these come back legit.
Yep, it's fake.
And what I'm probably going to do is use the Check app because I have some spare credits on there and it's always good to just have a second opinion. If you know anything about sneaker reselling, then you know how we like to negotiate on a price even after we agreed on it beforehand. Now, some might say this is a slimy tactic, but when you think about it, the worst somebody can say is no and just continue on with the regular deal. So it really doesn't hurt to see if you can get an extra discount. And that's exactly what I did here. This might be a long shot, but would you take do it? And luckily for me, it worked, giving me an extra $50 discount on the original price that we agreed on. Judging by the box, you might be able to guess what I just got. But let me know in the comments what you guys think I got before you actually see it. So here it is, the Grail sneakers that I just got for a pretty good price. And by the box, you might be able to tell what it is. You guys won't believe, but I was able to get the off-white Jordan 5 muslin colorway. And if you know anything about the Jordan 5 off-whites, then you know that this is the most expensive colorway that they have. And I was able to pick these up size 13 brand new for $650, which considering that the last sale was $1,200, I would say I got a pretty good price on these. Now the only thing I got to do is make sure that these are authentic, which I probably should have done that before I even bought them. Don't do what I did, guys. Make sure you authenticate them before you buy them, because right now I'm kind of just stressing out in case these are fake.
One eternity later.
They came back real. Thank God. And as you guys see, they do come with all the accessories, the extra laces, the hang tags, and the box paper with no flaws whatsoever. I should be able to make some pretty decent money off of this, I'm not gonna lie. So after celebrating that I didn't get scammed, it was time to take the Glam Shots and post these up everywhere. Now I know what the market says about these Jordan 5 off-white, but if I went off of that, I would never be able to get rid of them. And I would be like one of these guys at these sneaker events that just doesn't sell anything at all. So for me, I'm hoping to get anywhere from $900 to $1,000. It gives me enough room to make a profit, and if I sell these to another reseller, it gives them even more room to make profit. It's been a couple of days and I'm not gonna lie, it's not going as great as I thought it was going to. I've gotten an offer here and there for $750, $800 maybe, which is great. Profit is profit, but I thought I was gonna make a lot more and it's just being really slow. And I would post them on GOAT or StockX until I realized this gnarly gash in the bottom of the box, which if you know anything about StockX or GOAT, if that box isn't pristine, not getting passed through, no matter how great the condition is on the shoes. And I would continue to get offers even to the point of getting ready to meet up with these people, but I would just get flaker after flaker and it was just really annoying. Now when you're in this type of business, you're gonna deal with people flaking on you left and right. It's just part of the game. Fortunately for me, I was able to sell them on GOAT even with that damaged box that I had, and I was able to get more than what people were offering me. And after packing the box and shipping them off to UPS, it was time to wait for the money to come in. Now here we are now with the cash in hand after selling both of the used sneakers as well as the off-white Jordan 5s, giving us a grand total of $1,350 to work with in the budget. But honestly guys, I feel like it's time to scale this business even higher and try out new ventures. Some that may still be in the sneaker niche, but maybe improve to something better. And I might have an idea of what my next financial challenge is gonna be if you're able to catch my hint. But if that's something you would be interested in watching, then get this video to 60 likes so I know that I'm not wasting my time doing this. And I will put all my money on the line again in the hopes of making it big. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.